What's up everyone, subscribe to my channel! Today we're diving deep into one of the most spectacular and jaw-dropping creations in the world of custom cars, the 1965 Factory 5 Daytona. If you thought classic cars were just about nostalgia, think again. The Factory 5 Daytona is a masterpiece that combines raw power, impeccable craftsmanship, and breathtaking design, making it a true collector's dream. This car is not just a vehicle, it's an experience, a statement, and a piece of automotive art rolled into one aggressive, head-turning machine. From the moment you lay eyes on its sleek, low-slung body to the sound of its roaring engine, the Daytona leaves an impression that lasts a lifetime. Let's start with the design because the first thing anyone notices about this car is its bodywork. The Factory 5 Daytona is a tribute to the classic Shelby Daytona coupe, and every curve, every line, and every angle has been meticulously crafted to capture the essence of 1960s racing beauty while incorporating modern performance engineering. The elongated hood stretches forward like a predator ready to pounce, while the fastback rear design not only gives it a timeless aesthetic, but also enhances aerodynamics for high-speed stability. What's even more impressive is that every panel is made with lightweight fiberglass, which reduces overall weight without sacrificing strength or durability. The attention to detail is insane. The way the fenders flare over the massive tires, the precise cutouts for the headlights, and the carefully sculpted rear deck all scream performance and elegance. Moving to the heart of this beast, the engine is where things get truly exhilarating. The Factory 5 Daytona is not just a pretty face, it's a machine built to dominate the asphalt. Depending on the build, you can find engines ranging from naturally aspirated V8s to supercharged monsters capable of delivering over 700 horsepower. That's right, this car is essentially a street legal race car capable of accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just a few seconds. Imagine sitting in the driver's seat, gripping the leather-wrapped steering wheel and pressing down on the throttle as the engine growls and the tires fight for traction. The sensation is unlike anything else. Raw, visceral, and pure adrenaline. The Factory 5 Daytona doesn't just drive, it commands respect from every car that dares to challenge it. The interior of the Daytona is equally remarkable. While it may look minimalistic at first glance, every component is chosen for both luxury and performance. High-quality leather seats hug the body snugly, providing support during aggressive cornering. The dashboard is clean and functional, putting everything the driver needs within easy reach. Modern gauges are seamlessly integrated, giving you real-time feedback on speed, RPMs, oil pressure, and more. Even though it's built for speed, comfort is not sacrificed. Every stitch, every material, and every finish has been meticulously selected to ensure that the driving experience is as luxurious as it is thrilling. Sitting inside the Daytona feels like sitting in a private jet, a combination of power, sophistication, and engineering excellence. One of the most remarkable aspects of the 1965 Factory 5 Daytona is its build process. Unlike mass-produced cars, each Daytona is hand-built with incredible attention to detail. Factory 5 provides a kit that allows enthusiasts and professional builders alike to construct their own dream car, tailoring it to their exact specifications. This means that no two Daytonas are ever the same. Some may feature classic racing liveries reminiscent of the original Shelby Daytona, while others may opt for bold, modern paint schemes that scream individuality. The ability to customize every aspect, from suspension tuning to brake systems to interior finishes, makes this car a true personal statement. Owning a Factory 5 Daytona isn't just about having a car, it's about owning a masterpiece that reflects your personality, style, and passion for automotive excellence. When it comes to handling, the Daytona doesn't just talk the talk, it walks the walk. The chassis is designed for precise handling and stability at high speeds. Independent suspension, racing-grade brakes, and performance tires work together to ensure that the car grips the road like a predator stalking its prey. Every turn, every curve, every straightaway is an invitation to unleash the full potential of this incredible machine. Whether you're carving through twisty mountain roads or cruising down a racetrack, the Daytona delivers confidence, excitement, and an unmatched connection between driver and machine. The steering is direct and responsive, giving you the kind of feedback that makes you feel one with the car. It's not just about speed, it's about control, finesse, and the pure joy of driving a car that was built for enthusiasts. Another reason the 1965 Factory Five Daytona is so highly regarded is its exclusivity. This isn't a car you see on every street corner. Each Daytona is a rare gem with limited production and countless hours spent perfecting every detail. Its rarity adds to its allure and its value, making it a true collector's item. For automotive enthusiasts, owning a Daytona is akin to owning a piece of racing history, a car that embodies the spirit of competition, innovation, and timeless design. From classic car shows to exotic car meets, this car always commands attention. People don't just look at it, they admire it, they photograph it, and they talk about it for hours. Performance, design, exclusivity, and craftsmanship. The 1965 Factory 5 Daytona has it all. But there's one more thing that sets it apart: the experience. Driving this car is not just transportation, it's an event. It's the sound of the engine echoing down an open road, the wind in your hair, the way heads turn as you glide past. It's the sense of pride knowing you own a car that represents decades of automotive passion, engineering excellence, and unrelenting attention to detail. It's an experience that cannot be replicated, only lived. If you're an enthusiast who appreciates timeless design, mind-blowing performance, and unparalleled craftsmanship, the 1965 Factory 5 Daytona is a car you'll never forget. It's a rare combination of classic inspiration and modern engineering that delivers excitement at every turn. Owning one isn't just about having a car, it's about embracing a lifestyle, joining a community of like-minded enthusiasts, and becoming part of a legacy that celebrates the very best of automotive innovation. So what are you waiting for? The 1965 Factory 5 Daytona is more than a car. It's a masterpiece, a collector's dream, and an automotive legend in the making. If you loved this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the most exclusive and jaw-dropping cars in the world. Trust me, you don't want to miss what we have coming next. From detailed reviews to high-speed test drives and in-depth looks at rare custom builds, this channel is your ultimate destination for automotive excellence. Stay tuned, stay passionate, and always chase the thrill of the open road. The Factory 5 Daytona is the embodiment of everything car enthusiasts dream about: power, beauty, exclusivity, and the sheer joy of driving. Every detail has been meticulously crafted to create a vehicle that is as stunning as it is fast, as luxurious as it is raw. From the aggressive stance to the roaring engine to the hand-built precision of every component, the Daytona is a car that commands respect and admiration. Whether you're a collector, a racer, or simply someone who appreciates automotive artistry, this car delivers an experience that is unforgettable. If you want to own a piece of automotive history, a car that represents the pinnacle of craftsmanship and performance, the 1965 Factory 5 Daytona is waiting for you. From the first glance to the first drive, it's an experience that will leave you breathless and hungry for more. So buckle up, hold on tight, and get ready to fall in love with one of the most incredible machines ever built. What's up, everyone? Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more epic car content, detailed reviews, and behind-the-scenes looks at some of the rarest and most incredible cars on the planet. The 1965 Factory 5 Daytona isn't just a car, it's a dream turned into reality, and I can't wait to show you everything about it in this video and many more to come.